This newbies allows you to create professional videos using Seedance 2.0 for free. And guys, I'm not capping. This platform offers you daily credit. And not just that, I will show you how to double this credit and keep using for your next project. Take a look at the videos I created using this platform. They are amazing. And with sound, you can use image to video and text to video. And guys, without much ado, let's go. Follow me and let's do it together. All right, so go ahead and either log in or start for free. Anyone, it works. All the tools are available here, including social content tools, video tools, image tools, and e-commerce. Okay, so let's log in and explore this platform together. I'm going to go ahead and select any email of my choice. So once you log in using the preferred email of your choice, up here you're going to see you have 60 credits. Now look at use today credit, claim daily, valid till the end of the day. So this platform gives you 60 daily credit, and of course, like you can see, it's every single day. So by the end of the day, this 60 credit expires. Log in again and then get your 60 credit. So you can literally earn more credit just by copying, refer a friend, share your link with friends on social media. When your friend signs up from your link, okay, and you and your friend will receive 60 credit, and if they subscribe, they'll receive, each of you will receive 150 extra credit. So if you want that, you can literally copy this, okay, without waiting for your friends to sign up. Let me show you quickly how to do that. Now copy this link, okay. So this part is very crucial. This next part I'm going to show you now, so please watch. Okay, a new browser, not a new tab, a new browser, okay, could be any browser of your choice. All right, then okay, the link you copied, paste it on the new tab. So once you open a new tab, right, you have been invited. Join Zawa and claim your reward. Once you do that, go ahead and sign up to claim your credit. At this point, you're not using the same email you've used on this Zawa platform. You're going to use a different email, okay. So it's not going to be the same, because if it's the same, it will not work. Once you click that claim credit, right, you're going to see sign in, log in to start trial, start creating with Zawa. Okay, so you can choose to continue with email. You know what to do, right? Good. I'm going to go ahead and use a Google account, a different one. All right, so I'm going to select the one I've not used before on this platform. So for you, you can create a mail and use. You can use your email. It's your choice. Okay, so let's see if we've been able to claim our credit. Skip this and close this. Now watch here. I have 120 free credit. Exactly. So I've gotten my 60 credit, right? So let's go back and check my original platform. It's still 60. Hold on. Come here and refresh this. Okay, so let's see if it's all beautiful. So we have 120 free credit, and we also have 120 free credit on this platform. So you see, we have over more than 200 free credit to use and generate our videos. Here, this is the interface, and we have our free 120 credits. Of course, you want to earn more, you can keep inviting people. So if you just imagine you have multiple emails, just imagine that. I'm not going to tell you what to do, but you already know what to do. Okay, so we proceed. Go ahead and get back to the home, okay, home tab of this platform. You want to see describe your image and video ideas. I will create it for you. Now, if you click this plus sign, you see the drop down, add image, add video, add document, and all of that, right? So if, depending on what you want to achieve, go ahead and select. So for us, we want to create a video. So I want to add, let's say, a reference image. Okay, you can select any reference image of your choice if you have any, right? Let's put this one. All right, so this particular platform allows you to use your face, any type of image. It allows that. Okay, so let's see if it's literally going to work. Okay, I'm going to select the models here. So once you click on these models, you have, if you want to create an image, okay, video models, we have Seedance is here, Gemini Omni Flash is here, and Gemini 2.0 Mini. Okay, so let's see this Gemini Omni Flash, how much credit it costs, so that you don't waste your credit. Now, if you notice, there is no specification like, okay, this is how much it's going to cost. It's when you start generating. Okay, so let's try first with Seedance before we go to the Omni. All right, okay, so I'm going to say this. So let's give a simple prompt and see what the result looks like. Remember, the model I'm using is Seedance 2.0. So let's go ahead and hit this submitting. You agree and continue. The platform will take you to this AI chat. Everything is going to appear here for you to see. Okay, so it's still loading, it's still analyzing. Now it's a video creation expert has taken over, so it will start generating our video for us. And now the result is ready. So let's preview this and see the quality of video on this platform. Go with it, click on this download button, or you download it from here. That's it. And it creates up to 7 seconds. And my credit is still here. Okay, so I don't know what that means because I've literally generated, right? I've created a video, but my credit is untouched. So I don't know what that means. So I feel like while this platform is still new, that's why I have to quickly put it up here. Jump on it and start using this platform before things begins changing. Okay, so let's see Omni Flash. All right, so I'm going to switch to Omni Flash. All right, let's see the same prompt with same image. Let's see if our credit will go down or it's still going to be like this. Okay, so our video is here and it's wow. This came with sound, literally very perfect and very clear. And you can see they have removed my credits. Okay, so basically this is how this platform works. So go ahead and try this out. Then of course, we still have additional 120 credits on the other platform. So try this out. If you are cool with it, go ahead and download it. Either download from here or from here. You see the same thing. So I love this platform. It came with sound, so you can use it for your next project. So if you've watched it this time, thank you. Like the video, subscribe, and stay tuned so that you don't miss any of my uploads. So guys, until then, see you in the next one.